Have you ever bought an expensive supplement, you took it religiously, and you wondered why you're not feeling the result that were promised? Here's what most people don't know. Some herbs work okay on their own, but when you pair them with the right partner, they become extraordinary. Today, I'm going to reveal 5 herb combinations that science has proven work like magic when they're paired together, delivering benefits for beyond what either could achieve by themselves. These are simple, affordable ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen cabinet. Stick around until the end because number 5 is going to amaze you. It will make a huge difference in improving your health. Let's start with the first one. Number 1 is ginger and turmeric. Yes, turmeric is great on its own, but when you pair it with ginger, it has an even more powerful anti-inflammatory effect. Ginger takes things to a whole different level. Ginger doesn't just help absorption, it works with turmeric to multiply its anti-inflammatory effects through multiple pathways in your body simultaneously. Research shows that when ginger and turmeric are combined, they create what scientists call synergistic interaction. That means 1 + 1 doesn't equal 2. It equals 5 times the benefit. Together, they target inflammation, they support joint health, they reduce muscle soreness, aid digestion, and even support immune function. Yes? Let me tell you about Patricia, a 66-year-old from Oregon. Patricia suffered from painful arthritis in her hands and wrist. Simple tasks like opening drawers or typing became agonizing. Her doctor recommended strong pain medication with serious side effects. Before going that route, though, Patricia decided to try a natural approach. Every morning, she made a tea with half a teaspoon of turmeric, a quarter teaspoon of fresh grated ginger, a pinch of black pepper, and honey. After 4 weeks, Patricia noticed her morning stiffness had reduced, and after 2 months, she could grip objects without wincing. After 4 months, her inflammation markers dropped so significantly that her doctor was stunned, all without medication that he suggested. For Patricia, this combination gave her back her ability to do the things that she loved, like gardening and playing her piano. Here's how to use it. Combine half a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a quarter teaspoon of ground ginger and a pinch of black pepper. Add to warm water with honey, golden milk, or your morning smoothie. The heat activates the compounds. The black pepper ensures absorption, and the ginger multiplies the anti-inflammatory power. We're at number 2 now, and this is green tea and lemon. Green tea is loaded with powerful antioxidants that support brain health, heart function, and healthy aging. But here's what most people don't realize. These antioxidants are fragile. They break down quickly during digestion, and your body absorbs only a small percentage. That's where lemon comes in. Research from major universities found that when you add vitamin C from lemon to green tea, antioxidant absorption increases by 200 to 300%. The vitamin C stabilizes the antioxidants during digestion, protecting them from breakdown and ensuring that they reach your bloodstream intact. This isn't just about absorption, it's about results. Together, the green tea and the lemon deliver more powerful protection than either could provide on their own. Meet Susan. She's a 58-year-old teacher from California who struggled with afternoon brain fog and low energy. She drank green tea regularly but never felt much different. Then a colleague suggested she add fresh lemon juice to her tea. That simple addition transformed everything. Within 2 weeks, Susan noticed that her mental clarity improved. She stopped reaching for sugary snacks in the afternoon. And after 2 months, her energy felt more stable throughout the day. And she even noticed her skin looked a little brighter. She was glowing. For Susan, this wasn't just about feeling better. It was about showing up fully for her students and her life. And here's how to use this. Brew a cup of green tea and add the juice of half a lemon or lime. while it's still warm. The vitamin C not only enhances absorption, but also adds a refreshing flavor. Drink this daily for maximum benefits. Want to boost it further? Add half a teaspoon of raw honey for natural sweetness and additional immune support. Honey's own antioxidants work alongside green tea's benefits. Just let the tea cool slightly first. Hot temperatures can damage honey's healing properties. Number 3 is cinnamon and chromium. If you struggle with blood sugar swings, energy crashes, or sugar cravings after 40, this combination could change your life. Cinnamon helps your cells respond better to insulin. The hormone that regulates blood sugar is insulin. Cinnamon relaxes blood vessels, improves circulation, and supports healthy metabolism. But cinnamon works even better when it's paired with chromium, an essential mineral that helps insulin work more efficiently in your body. Studies show that together, cinnamon and chromium can reduce fasting blood sugar levels, support healthy cholesterol, lower blood pressure, and even help with weight management, especially that stubborn belly fat that seems impossible to lose after you get to 50. You know what I'm talking about. Let me tell you about Linda. She's a 64-year-old from Texas. Linda was pre-diabetic. Her doctor warned her that without changes, she's going to be on medication within a year. Linda felt defeated. She tried multiple diets and nothing seemed to work. A friend of hers suggested that she try cinnamon with chromium. Linda started adding a teaspoon of cinnamon to her morning oatmeal and taking a chromium supplement daily afterwards. Now, after 8 weeks, Linda's blood sugar levels improved noticeably. Her sugar cravings disappeared, and she lost 12 pounds without feeling deprived. At her next checkup, her doctor was amazed. Her blood sugar had dropped into the normal range. For Linda, this combination prevented a diabetes diagnosis and gave her hope that she could take control of her health naturally. Here's how to use it. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon to your coffee or your oatmeal or maybe your smoothie. Do this daily. And then you take a chromium supplement, 200 to 400 micrograms, with your meal. You can find chromium at any health food store or pharmacy, or just go online on Amazon and you can find it. And you can visit my Amazon store in the description if you're not sure where to start. Number 4 is cayenne pepper and garlic. If you have cold hands and feet, high blood pressure, or poor circulation, listen closely. This spicy combination is a game changer. Cayenne pepper contains a compound that opens blood vessels, lowers blood pressure, and increases circulation throughout your entire body. It literally brings warmth and blood flow to your extremities. Garlic contains allicin, which is a powerful compound that relaxes blood vessels. It prevents artery plaque buildup and supports overall heart health. When you combine cayenne pepper and garlic, you create a double defense system for your cardiovascular health. They work together through different pathways to improve circulation, lower blood pressure, and protect your arteries from damage. Meet Frank, a 71-year-old from Michigan. Frank's hands and feet were always ice cold, even in the summertime. His blood pressure was creeping so high that his doctor wanted him to increase his medication. Frank's wife had been reading about natural remedies, and she suggested that he try cayenne pepper and garlic. Frank started adding a pinch of cayenne pepper to his meals and taking a garlic supplement daily. Within 3 weeks, Frank noticed that his hands felt a little warmer. After 2 months, his blood pressure dropped so much that his doctor reduced his medication. Frank's circulation improved so much that he no longer needed to wear a pair of thick socks to bed. For Frank, this combination improved his comfort and reduced his dependence on medication, which I think is really cool. Here's how to use it. You're going to add a small pinch of cayenne pepper to your soup, your scrambled eggs, or meals daily. I always put cayenne pepper in every food that I prepare, even in my coffee. Yeah, I know, sounds yuck, but that's how it is. Make sure to start small. A cayenne is hot, so take a garlic supplement, 1,000 to 1,200 milligrams, or eat 1 or 2 cloves of fresh garlic daily. If you choose fresh garlic, crush it and let it sit for 10 minutes before you eat it so you can activate the allicin. Number 5 is turmeric and black pepper. This is the one you have been waiting to hear about. Yes, turmeric appears again. Turmeric and black pepper is the golden duo that started it all. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, that fights inflammation. It protects your heart and it supports your brain and even helps rebuild muscle strength after 40. But here's the problem. Your body barely absorbs curcumin on its own. You could take all the turmeric in the world and see minimal results. But if you just add a pinch of black pepper to that, everything changes dramatically. Black pepper contains a compound that increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. You heard right? That's not a mistake. Yes, I said 2,000%. This transforms turmeric from a mild kitchen spice into a medicinal powerhouse. Let me tell you about Robert, a 69-year-old from Arizona. Robert loved hiking, but chronic knee inflammation forced him to give it up. His doctor recommended surgery, but that's how bad it was. But Robert wanted to try natural options first. His daughter suggested adding half a teaspoon of turmeric with a pinch of black pepper to his morning coffee. Robert was skeptical at first. It sounded too simple. But after 6 weeks, his knee pain reduced significantly. After 3 months, he was back to the trails, hiking 5 miles without any discomfort. At his follow-up appointment, his inflammation markers had dropped dramatically without any medication changes. For Robert, this simple combination gave him back his passion and his independence as well. And this could be you. Yeah, it could be you too. Here's how to use it. Add half a spoon of turmeric powder and a small pinch of black pepper to your morning coffee, golden milk, or smoothie. The heat helps activate the curcumin, and the black pepper ensures that your body actually absorbs it. These 5 combinations that we talked about today prove a powerful truth. Nature designed certain plants to work together. Black pepper amplifies turmeric. Lemon stabilizes green tea. Chromium enhances cinnamon. Garlic partners with cayenne pepper. Ginger multiplies turmeric's power. And when you understand these combinations, you can unlock healing potential that goes far beyond what any single herb can do by itself. And if you want to learn even more about natural healing strategies specifically designed for people over 40, I've created a comprehensive guide called Healing Over 40 Using Natural Remedies. This ebook is packed with science-backed natural solutions like these that we just discussed for inflammation, energy, sleep, digestion, joint health, circulation, and so much more, all specifically tailored for the unique challenges that we face as we age. You'll find the link in the description below. Please make sure you grab it today. You'll be glad that you did. Now, before we close, I need to say this clearly. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Every person's health situation is unique. So please consult with your doctor or qualified healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or supplement routine, especially if you take medications or you have existing health conditions. Turmeric and ginger can interact with blood thinners, just so you know. Cayenne can affect blood pressure medications. Garlic can interact with certain prescriptions. Cinnamon and chromium may affect blood sugar medications. Always check with your doctor first. So now, here's my question for you. Which of these powerful herb combinations will you try first? Turmeric and black pepper for inflammation, green tea and lemon for brain health, cinnamon and chromium for blood sugar, cayenne and garlic for circulation, or ginger and turmeric for joint pain? Let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your experience with these synergistic combinations. That's what I call them. Remember now, nature's pharmacy becomes even more powerful when you know which herbs to pair together. And don't wait until you are sick and start taking medications to start using these. Your health depends on this before it's too late. These 5 combinations could be the key to unlocking your body's natural healing potential after age 40 and beyond. I hope you found value from this video, and if you have, please remember to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video where I'm going to share more tips that can help you on your natural health journey. You don't want to miss that video, trust me. Please make sure that you share this video as well with someone you care about. They will appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next